How to remove debit or credit card on Temu. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Temu account, and then once we're here on our account, at the bottom you will see this U option. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then under our profile we'll have to go on top and then tap on the settings icon. And then under settings, you will now see this option, your payment methods. What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then in here, as you can see, I haven't added a debit or credit card. But if you have your card here, all you need to do is to tap on the card and then a pop-up menu will appear. On that, you will see a remove option. All you need to do is to tap on that remove card option. After that, it will automatically remove your debit or credit card. So that's how easy we can remove debit or credit card on Temu. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.